Sun begins to wrap around me. My heart is pounding up and down. I love it. The whispers of new dreams around me. My heart is pounding up and down and up and down. It's out. Reach out for the cool breeze. I'm chasing my new dreams. Still feel like a rookie. I take another step, sunlight shining on me.
I'm headed for the big C. Cloud now, what a feeling. On the water I'm dancing, I go with the flow. Big waves are nothing.
Shit, shit, under that blue sky. Shit, shit, fantasy inside. Shit, shit, we make it real life. This feeling right now, this fire is fly. Gonna paint the wall, read our dreams. Our eyes have colors, feel to the brim. Don't think and just live it to your body and your heart. Cause you are born to shine. The endless always stay by your side. Step into the light. The sunlight is a spotlight. It's beautiful. We're beautiful. It's beautiful. Dream on and on. Under the sun, we make our dreams become reality. Dream on and on. Under the sun, yeah, dreams will last for all eternity. Too early to ever give up. It's not of you seeing the mirror. Just light up your heart that never dies out. Feel the flame get bigger and bigger. Do you know what I mean? Right now we're just gonna follow our dreams. Hands in the air, we dance with the breeze. Don't worry, shine with your energy. The endless always